Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I decided to do a trip randomly. It's a very random trip and it's stressing me. It's stressing me, and every time I keep thinking, do I even need to go? Okay, now so I booked my to get my visa. It wasn't easy. I've booked my flight. I don't know what has happened. Money has gone through, but I don't have a ticket. Oh my god, yani it's stressing me. Anyway, I really hope it goes through. Anyway, I hope it goes through. I'll update you what's going to happen. Let me just keep following up. Now I'm following up with the airline. Now that has become my day to day. Yesterday I was following up, today I'm following up. I don't know if I should just book another ticket, but it's expensive. I don't want to book another ticket without knowing if I'll get my money back, like the money that I had already paid. Anyway, it's a bit stressful, but I chose this life, so I want to go on a vacay, and it's very random, but anyway. Okay, I'll update you more. See you. Or just to add, it's Tuesday 4 p.m. right now, and I'm supposed to travel on Friday. I'm supposed to travel on Friday. It's Tuesday. I don't have a ticket. I don't have my passport. Okay, I think I have my passport, but the people from the passport cannot release the visa, not the passport. The visa, they cannot release the visa until I have a return ticket. So yeah, that's me. It's Tuesday 4 p.m. I'm about to go out for my run. At least that helps me to relax. I'm going out for my run, and yeah, so I just wanted to point it out. It's Tuesday, I'm traveling on Friday, and that's me. But guess what? I have packed. Oh my god, I have already packed, guys. I packed like the minute I said I'm going, I packed. Anyway, so I really hope everything goes well so that I travel. See you. Hi. So the last time I gave you an update about my travel, I was very stressed, but I have sorted out everything. I'm ready. Today is Thursday. I said I'm supposed to travel on Friday, but it's actually today, but today night, which is Friday in the morning. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm ready. Yesterday I went to make my lashes, nails. Okay, my nails were already done, so I didn't think I need to, but basically I'm ready. Yeah, so I have my ticket, I have my visa. I leave tonight, so I want to pack, and I want to bring you with me. Let's pack. Oh, sorry. I know that I had already said that I have packed, and as you can see, I have already packed, but I want now to sort out everything. I want to make sure that everything I have carried is what I want. Still, I have figured out that I have carried so many clothes, so I want to reduce. And yeah, just to make sure everything is good. So let's do that. Okay, so guys, I have carried so many unnecessary things. Unnecessary. So Guys, I'm still packing, so let's finish. Yeah guys, so still packing. These are my clothes, just normal clothes, swimming costumes, tops and trousers, some dresses and shorts, pillow, shades, jewelry, boob tape, my tripod, my makeup, my dollars, and these are my cards for, what is it called, dollar cards, my passports, and my I'm going to put all my liquids in that Ziploc. Yeah, so I want to put all this here and here. Okay. And I'm done. Oh, my advertising. Yeah, bag number 1. So I'll check this in. This is my carry-on. This and this will be my carry-on. This is just a small bag. So it has my documents, my book, what I'll be reading. Yes, and that's it. I'm ready, and my kanini, although it's my kapilo, when it's dirty, gosh. Hata kuende aje, it's the one that's going to carry me today, because I can't go with it. I use the white one. No, I don't want to use the white one. Anyway, so the only thing I'm remaining now is to put my chargers, my power bank, and I'm done. As you can see guys, I'm done. I'm ready. It's around, what time is it? It's 6:30. It's 6:30. So I was watching a movie. I want to finish, no, not finish watching that movie, but I want to watch until 7:30. 7:30 I want to sleep until 12 a.m. I wake up at 12 because my flight is in the morning, but I have to wake up at 12, leave the house at 2 a.m, be at the airport by 2:30, because I've already checked in, so 2 hours are enough. Yes, I'm ready. I feel so organized. Can you see? Everything is there. Okay.